One of the most riveting experiences when it comes to movie watching that constantly keeps you on the edge of your seat is when the genre of suspense films releases in theaters. This genre of films keeps you guessing till the very end on what the outcome of the premise is going to be. Where there are many suspense thrillers that are celebrated by viewers as well as critics, there are some films in this genre that definitely did not get its due credit. Discussing some of the most underrated suspense thrillers, here is Tried and Refused Productions. With 10 underrated Bollywood suspense thriller movies you need to watch now. Johnny Gaddar. Written and directed by Sriram Raghavan, the 2007 film Johnny Gaddar, starring Neil Nitin Mukesh in his debut alongside Dharmendra, Rimi Sen, Vinay Pathak and many other talented supporting cast actors, was a criminally underrated film. On account of a deal that is about to be struck and the anticipation of ample profits, each member of a gambling club has an ulterior motive of running away with the pot of the pie way beyond their means. What follows is lies, deceit, blackmail, and the viewers wondering what's going to be the ultimate outcome. A film that did not do financially well, but definitely should be applauded for its impeccable storytelling quality. Karthik Calling Karthik. Karthik Calling Karthik has to be one of the most genuine attempts by Bollywood to create a realistic psychological thriller. The movie starring Farhan Akhtar and Deepika Padukone in lead roles shows the story of Karthik who achieves everything he wanted from life, a nice job and the love of his life, but starts getting creepy phone calls in exchange, an aspect in his life that takes him out of his comfort zone and to much needed and awaited success. As the plot deepens and the mystery of the caller slowly unravels, you are nail-bitingly waiting to find out what exactly is happening. Definitely a film that keeps you guessing what the outcome is till the end. Table number 21. The movie featuring Rajiv Khandelwal, Tina Desai and Paresh Rawal was definitely a nail-biting roller coaster. The film shockingly only did average business in the box office and definitely deserved way more financial acclaim. A couple that is struggling to make ends meet enter a live game show, Table number 21. Winner of the game bagging a staggering amount of 210 million rupees as prize money, and the rules would be that the 8 personal questions would be asked that must be answered truthfully, and following this one must complete tasks related to the question. This leads to a series of unforeseen circumstances that make the characters question each decision. Definitely a highlight of many underrated thriller films. Ugly. A movie written and directed by the king of psychological thrillers Anurag Kashyap, Ugly is a movie centered around the kidnapping of a 10-year-old daughter of a struggling actor. How the world in this day and age of corruption, greed and pure evil is ready to demand a piece of their pie. Watch this movie for the real portrayal of people we see on our day-to-day life. How ugly and unapologetically ruthless all of us are in this day and age, without a single character in a premise having any redeeming quality. The film takes you through such a roller coaster that you eventually believe no one and keep guessing what's going to be the fate of the poor lost child. Manorma 6 Feet Under. An amateur detective in an inactive town from Rajasthan finds himself caught in a web of lies, deceit and murder as he takes up a case to investigate the extramarital affair of the irrigation minister. This movie is based on Chinatown by Roman Polanski, with the basic premise being similar to the original. The film, with its multiple characters, eerie premise and a sense of mystery and wonder with respect to every step in the premise, definitely leaves you to wonder what is each character's intention with respect to the plot. A movie that many people don't know about and that did barely any business is a definite must-watch for viewers who are fans of this genre of film. 99. A film that many people had no idea even existed was a charmingly funny and intelligent film 99 directed by Raj and DK. The film is set in 1999 and showcases events including conspiracies, extortion, theft and blackmail affecting multiple characters, with the backdrop revolving around the controversial India-South Africa cricket betting scandal, which involved big cricketing names like Hansi Cronje, Mohammad Azharuddin and Ajay Jadeja. The film starring Kunal Khemu, Boman Irani and Soha Ali Khan really does make you hysterically laugh and wonder the number of intricate details behind the scenes of any major sport. A great film that keeps you guessing till the very end. NH10. One of the most ambitious projects for any leading heroine in the film industry is not only to take up a jarringly violent thriller film as a lead, but to even produce it herself. NH10 starring Anushka Sharma was one such project. A film clearly showcasing how one move by any one of us can lead to a catapulting effect of many unfortunate events. How the woman in the absolute lawless land faces every obstacle that comes her way definitely kept viewers on the edge of their seat. Watch this film to see how far a human's will can be tested and whether the protagonist perseveres or succumbs to all the menace around her. 404 Error Not Found. Definitely one of the most underrated thriller films many people don't know about is the 2011 released and Praval Raman directed 404 Error Not Found. Starring actors such as Nishant Kamath, Imad Shah and Tiska Chopra, the film follows a medical college student who shifts to the college hostel's room number 404, where a previously stayed medical student had committed suicide, and the paranormal delusions that he begins to have since then. Brilliantly directed, paced and crafted, if you want to watch an Indian film that completely engulfs you in the atmosphere and premise it focuses on, this is the film. Being Cyrus. Another highly underrated movie, Being Cyrus is one of the most subtle psychological thrillers in Bollywood. A movie revolving around a dysfunctional Parsi family. Cyrus, played by Saif Ali Khan, enters the entire mess and is instructed to carry out horrible deeds for individual ulterior motives. With one of the craziest plot twists and turns, revelations you never saw coming, a soundtrack that keeps you fully engaged, and its endearing dark comedy. Being Cyrus, a film that many people have not seen, is definitely a must to be added on this list. Ek Hasina Thi. One of the most underrated films period is the 2004 extremely impressive film Ek Hasina Thi. The movie that follows the unforeseen circumstances Sarika gets herself into from a relationship with a complete stranger who double crosses her and puts her behind bars, and the shift in character and the pace of the film, where Sarika only feels hatred and absolute anger towards Karan, a coward underworld gang member. Urmila Matondkar and Saif Ali Khan in both their characters leave a lasting impression, and this film is a must watch for everyone as it keeps you guessing, taking you through multiple twists and turns on literally how far can Sarika go to teach the man a lesson. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.